Next morning here. Let's see if the battery's really dead. Oh, when you guys see that, it starts right up. Wow. The lights work. Let's see. Let me lock out this thing. Okay. Let's just cut it off. So let's see. Really dirty under here, but that's expected. Power steering fluid is at the minimum. It could use a little bit. Oh, it has a brand new clean air filter, so that's a good sign. Like I said, I'm sure they just got a tune-up on this thing because the mileage said 218 and it has 216. So I'm sure they just got a tune-up on this thing. Then unfortunately got it taken. Yeah, the washer fluid is filled. Coolant level. I actually have some coolant. I'd rather pour some in there and just make sure. So I'm gonna grab that out the car. Alrighty, so we got the coolant level topped off. The brake fluid is good. Power steering, you could use a little bit of power steering fluid. However, we'll get that taken care of. The AC is on. Yep, and it's blowing cold, so that's a good sign. Alrighty guys, so we got our bucket of warm water and our turtle wax carpet and mat cleaner. This is what we used on the Altima. This thing works magic. So you guys see the beforehand. We're about to get this thing all looking really good in here, man. So stay tuned and let's work this magic. Let's shake it up first. Give it a good little coating. Don't be shy. And just let that soak for a hot sec. And you can get your now this might take a couple tries. Better than better. You guys already see that blue's coming out. Hit him again. And then just let it soak and repeat the process. We got this seat a little bit better looking. However, this stain is so deep, this blue is kind of hard to come out. As long as it looks better and then we have a stain right there, we'll try to get out once everything else is looking a little bit better, because we only have a little bit of turtle wax product right now. So we're actually just gonna hit these doors really quick, these little side panels, and finish up this front. Once we finish the seats, we'll bounce back around to the carpet and see what we can do there. So I didn't even know these freaking front seats go all the way down like this. This is crazy. I guess so since it's a 4-wheel drive, I guess they expect you to be out in the desert a lot. But We got the back cleaned up a little bit better. A little bit better. We need to focus on getting that other side done because that's the bad side. If you just see right now, the bottom of that is black. This half was the same color. You just see it before and after right there, how much cleaner it's gonna look. But yeah, we barely have any, so we're trying to like really get the main parts with that and then get everything done before we have to go get some more and just flood it out. It looks a lot better than it did. Still getting into the details, but for the base of things, man, this thing is filthy. Had so much like just built up dirt over the years. So see, now if you see this inside, we're gonna get this all cleaned up because that looks horrible. What's up, guys? Next day here. We kind of had some bad weather over the last few days. I guess it's like monsoon season out here, whatever that means, because it's always hot and sunny. So I mean, I don't really know the difference, but yeah, man, the car got kind of dirty last night. Besides, I wanted a fresh wash in here and just to get this thing on the road to give it some miles. It's still no lights on the dash. It's just, I don't know, we have to get this thing on the freeway and see how it really rides, like, you know, at a high, like at least 65. So yeah, we're just gonna pull in this freaking car wash real quick. Just gonna get a quick wash down. Alrighty guys, back shined up. We're gonna see if we can get it a little better with some of this McGuire's quick detailer. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's see if it looks any better at all. I mean, we already watched it before. You guys seen the potential, so I mean, let's just clean it up really quick. Nothing too special. All cleaned up again. Got this inside looking wonderful compared to how it was. We didn't get this part of the carpet yet. We could probably try to get that really quick. But see the front. Turn that radio down. Copyright. And the front doesn't look bad. It all looks really good inside. So just now leaving the car wash, we can probably I know you guys, there you guys go with that yellow light. Let me go ahead and stop so I don't get a million comments. But you guys just hear the brakes. It needs really brake pads really bad. But we're gonna go get some air in these tires, make sure they're all checked out, get our pictures for the sale, and then just wait till our title get here. So as soon as it does get here, we can post it up and then maybe make some money. We got all 4 tires aired up, ready to go. And we should be pretty much done with this car. I know I might need some brakes. However, at the price point I'm selling it at, it's still enough room to make some money and have the buyer, you know, excited. So feeling like they got a good deal. So it is what it is. About to head back to the house, get our pictures to post this thing up to sale, and then that'll be that. Now that we got back home, you guys remember, I forget which car it was. Oh yeah, on the Infinity, we used some of this on this actual like faded like gray trim of the car, and it brought it back to life. So you just see, I forgot to do it before, but you see the difference between the two. So we'll just get the whole car vinyl, I mean, you know, protected up, and then it should be looking nice, and then we'll get to that engine bay in just a sec. Guess I can show you guys with this side. Just see before, then get a little bit of that on there. And look at that. Looks way better already. Look how ashy this bumper is, right? See how ashy it is? I'm gonna check this out. Alrighty guys, you see that right there, man. It looks so freaking shiny compared to the before. And we'll just get you a walk around. We did all the trimming. So everything is pretty much, gave it like a fresh coat of black or gray, whatever the color trimming was. Down at the bottom, made it a lot shinier. It just looks a lot cleaner, guys. There's certain stuff that you can use to detail that'll just help you out that much more with your end sales. So yeah, we're looking good on this end. The inside is pretty decent. So I'm thinking that's gonna be a wrap for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video if you like, man. I appreciate it. But that's pretty much gonna be it. I think it's pretty much for sale and ready to go. We're just waiting on the title. Should be here any day now. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap. Peace.